Hey traders, welcome to another video brought to you by ZeroToHeroTrader.com, giving you the tools and the confidence to take on the markets in any environment and take your trading from zero to hero. Let's get started. Hey guys, so in this video I'm just going to show you a couple of my trades that I took today using the ZTH Scalper script for Thinkorswim. So here we go. All right, here we go. I'm going to take this tier 2 signal. For the short side, see if we can get filled here. Let's see. Just going to take it for 1 point. So sweet, so we got filled on that. Awesome. Alright, so that was first trade of the day. Took off the tier 2 signal, which are these dots, and we got the red at the same time. And it's right here. Got the red and the red dots at the same time. And also we were anticipating this short because we crossed our trend line and it was coming off the VWAP, as well as SPY was kind of doing the same stuff. And you see the tick shot down below zero. So that's the first trade of the day with the ZTH Scalper, and you can see that that thing had us right where we needed to be to take a nice scalp. Alright, so I'll show you another one when we get another signal. Entered this trade off of the long signal here, so waiting on it to lift off a little bit, and I'll try and take my profit. Got in a little late, so I was trying to hit the record button there. A little bit farther. Come on, you can do it. You can see we hit the profit target there on the script. I got in a little late, so little bit more push and get us out. There we go. So we filled on that one. On the long side for a nice trade with the script. So we got our long signal here with the line, the vertical line, and the arrow. And like I said, if I was playing this completely correctly, I would have gotten in somewhere around this second candle after it printed. But I ended up getting in, I think, on this larger candle, right around the top of that. Okay, so that's the ZTH scalper, and the, I think, third trade of the day. The first one was this. We took this tier 2 signal right here, and the second one, I took this one short, trying to get it to break down below that support, and I got stopped out. See the white dot there is your stop. And then now the third one, I got that one for a nice 1 point scalp. So that's first 3 trades of the day. We got 2 out of 3. So we are green over here with $35 profit, and hopefully this stuff will start to take off a little bit and quit chopping around. But it's been pretty choppy morning, so kind of hard to trade. All right, that's it. Okay. All right, Fed decision just came out. We got action is going nuts right now. So wait and see what happens. See if we get any signals off of this. Looks like it's running long. So we can catch a point or 2 off of this. Go fast. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. All right, that was a nice trade. On this one, guys, I was just trying to get in and out super fast because I know that the Fed rate decision stuff can change really quickly. So I was just trying to take that in and out really quickly. All right. Hey, as always, thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up at the bottom. If you really, really like this video, go ahead and subscribe if you're not already. Also, you can get in contact with us at Zero to Hero Trader on Twitter and Instagram. And if you're not in our free Discord room, go ahead and do that. You're not going to want to miss what's going on in the Discord room. Link is in the description. See you guys in the next video.